Jury selection has begun in the Secoriea Turner murder trial. The 8-year-old was killed in July of 2020 when a gunman opened fire on her family's car near a Wendy's in southwest Atlanta. There were riots in the area at the time over the shooting death of a man by a police officer. Fox 5's Deidre Dukes is live at the Fulton County Courthouse tonight with the latest on that jury selection. Deidre?
Julian Conley is now set to stand trial after rejecting a plea deal. Secoriea's mother was here at the courthouse today as jury selection got underway.
You charge and accuse Julian Conley with the offense of murder on the 4th of July, 2020, did unlawfully and with malice aforethought cause the death of Secoriea Turner.
Murder defendant Julian Conley looked on from the defense table as jury selection got underway Monday morning.
These questions are not designed to unfairly pry into your personal affairs. Their purpose is to discover if you have any knowledge of this case, any preconceived opinions, or any experience that causes you to relate with the case.
The 19-year-old, one of two suspects charged in connection with the deadly shooting of Secoriea Turner near a Wendy's in southwest Atlanta in 2020. The 8-year-old was killed during the height of the Rayshard Brooks protests when someone opened fire on the family's car as they drove through the area. A second defendant in the case, Jerrion McKinney, was sentenced to 40 years in prison with 20 to serve after taking a plea deal last week. The case garnered national attention and received extensive media coverage.
Have you, for any reason, formed and expressed any opinion in regard to the guilt or innocence of the accused?
Number 6, 14, 20, 23, 70, 24, 25.
As the first round of questioning of potential jurors got underway, it became clear pretrial publicity could make it more challenging to seat an impartial panel. Now, jury selection is expected to wrap up sometime tomorrow. That is the judge's hope, and the actual trial is expected to take about 2 weeks. At the Fulton County Courthouse, Deidre Dukes, Fox 5 News.
Deidre, thanks.